Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create this purple smoky eye in very simple steps. So I'm gonna start with the shade Love Bite from You Can Be palette. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye and I'm gonna blend it very well with a small fluffy brush. So I'll keep blending till it reaches the middle. Then I'm gonna put it also in the outer corner of my eye. So keep doing this until you have it very smooth and you have it until you reach the pigments you want. You can keep it soft and you can also make it bolder. You also have to keep sure that you keep the middle without any colors. So I'm gonna keep blending out the outer corner like this. I'm also adding some more in the inner corner to make it even bolder. Then I'm gonna pick this color, Misty. I'm gonna put it in the middle and I'm just gonna pack it on the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm picking the color Secret. So just to blend out everything together, I'm blending the inner corner and the outer corner and the middle of my eye, so everything becomes very clean. Here I'm putting Misty again and I'm just blending everything together. Then I'm gonna pick a big fluffy brush just to blend everything, to make everything smoother, no harsh edges. I have to make sure that everything is well put together, no harsh edges at all. Now I'm adding the dark color again on my lower lash line to give it this smoky effect, and I just have to blend it right inside to my inner corner. Now I'm gonna put this cream shadow from L'Oreal. It's silverish color. I'm gonna put it on the middle of my eyelid. So I blend it very well with my fingers so it doesn't seem chunky. Then I picked highlighter. I put it in my inner corner. I also gonna put it under my brow bone. Then I put eyeliner also in my inner corner to create a sharp look. Then I applied mascara on my lower lash line and on my eyelashes. And this is the final result. Please let me know your opinions in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to see more of these looks. Thank you for watching. Bye.